Give me your introduction.
My name is Asishan. My father name is Ramechan. My mother name is Mrs. Sohishan. My sister name Vaishnavi Chan. My grandfather name Mr. Gulab Chan. My grandmother name Mrs. Buddhavati Devi. My school name is RN Academy Public School. I study in 6th. I live in Kankalipura. My hobby is singing. I want to become a police officer.
Which animal known as ship of desert?
Camel.
How many continents there are in the world?
7.
What is the shape of Earth?
Round.
Which is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Which planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
What is the which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Sunrise in east and sets in the.
Best.
Which is the longest river on earth?
Japan. The Nile.
Which country is known as the land of rising sun?
Japan.
How many union territory are in India?
8.
Which is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Which sea separate Africa and Asia?
The Red Sea.
What is the phenomenon of splitting white light into 7 colors?
Dispersion of light.
The continent of Europe and Asia are together known as.
Eurasia.
Name the place known as Roof of the world.
Tibet.
What are the two motion of the earth?
Rotation and revolution.
Name the largest desert in the world.
Sahara Desert.
Which planet is known as blue planet?
Earth.
What is the chemical symbol of water?
H2O.
Which element has chemical symbol O?
Oxygen.
What is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees Celsius.
Which phenomenon is responsible for blue color of the sky?
Scrating of light.
Name two seas surrounding peninsular India.
Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal.
Which animal known as king of jungle?
Lion.
How many legs does a spider have?
8.
Which is the tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe.
What is baby dog called?
Puppy.
Which is the largest mammal on the earth?
Blue whale.
What do plants give us to breathe?
Oxygen.
Which bird lay the largest egg?
Bat.
Which bird lay the largest egg?
Ostrich.
Ostrich. What do we call kangaroo baby?
Joy.
How many bones there are in one body?
206.
Which part of plant make us food?
Carbon dioxide.
What is the process by which plant make food?
Photosynthesis.
By which type of gas absorbed by plant?
Carbon dioxide.
Fastest land animal.
Cheetah.
What is the national heritage of animal?
Elephant.
How many kidney do human have?
2.
Which organ pump blood?
Heart.
What is the largest organ of human body?
Skin.
Which is the smallest bone in the human body?
Steps or struts.
Which bird is the smallest in the world?
Hummingbird.
What is the process of conversion water to vapor is called?
Evaporation.
Chemical formula of common salt.
NaCN.
Which is the largest forest in the world?
Amazon rainforest.
What is the solid form of water?
Ice.
The smallest unit of light?
Cell.
Name the national bird of India.
Peacock.
Name the national animal of India.
Tiger.
Name the national flower of India.
Lotus.
Name the national anthem of India.
Jan Gan Man.
Who wrote national anthem of India?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who is the father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
When did India gain independence?
15 August 1947.
When Republic Day celebrated in India?
26 January.
Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first President of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who designed the national flag of India?
Tingli Bakaya.
Which is the national aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
What is the national song of India?
Vande Mataram.
Who wrote national song of India?
Bankim Chatterjee.
Who built Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan.
Who was the first woman prime minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
How many states there are in India?
28.
Who is called Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Where is the flag hosted in Independence Day?
Red Fort Valley.
Which is the smallest state in India?
Goa.
In which year Indian Constitution adopted?
1950.
Which is the national tree in India of India?
Banyan Tree.
Who is the first citizen of India?
The President of Rio.
Who discovered India by sea route?
Vasco da Gama.
Which is the largest democracy in the world?
India.
Now translate what I asked. Okay? Where is the remote?
Remote time.
I'm going to sleep.
मैं अब सोने जा रहा हूँ.
Please clean your room.
कृपया अपना कमरा साफ करें.
क्या खाना तैयार है?
Is dinner ready?
मुझे अपना फोन चार्ज करना है.
I need to charge my phone.
लाइट बंद करो.
Turn off the light.
चलो फिल्म देखते हैं.
Let's watch a movie.
मुझे 7 बजे उठाना.
Wake me up at 7.
क्या मैं तुम्हारा लैपटॉप इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ?
Can I use your laptop?
बिजली चली गई है.
The electricity is gone.
क्या तुम घर पर हो?
Are you home?
Are you at home?
I
मैं अपने कमरे में रहूंगा.
will be in my room.
नाश्ते में क्या है?
What's for breakfast?
दरवाजा बंद है.
The door is locked.
खिड़कियां बंद कर दी.
Close the window.
मैं इसे कहाँ रखूं?
I should keep this.
Where should I keep this?
Yes,
खुशबू अच्छी आ रही है.
it smells good.
शोर मत करो.
Don't make a noise.
मेरी एक जरूरी मीटिंग है.
I have an important meeting.
समय सीमा क्या है?
What is the deadline?
Can you explain this again?
क्या आप इसे फिर से समझा सकते हैं?
मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया.
I have finished my assignment.
मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले रहा हूँ.
I am learning a lot.
मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले रहा हूँ.
I am learning a lot.
I am learning a lot का मतलब होता है मैं बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ.
I am taking a day off.
हाँ. I am taking.
A day off.
क्या आपके पास पेन है?
Do you have a pen?
मुझे ध्यान केंद्रित करने की जरूरत है.
I need to focus.
तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट किसके बारे में?
What's your project about?
मैं इसे कल जमा करूंगा.
I will submit it tomorrow.
यह मेरी रिपोर्ट है.
This is my report.
मैं बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ.
I am learning a lot.
क्या हम समय बदल सकते हैं?
Can we reschedule?